Let's go. Future, second conditional. Existence. Time and place before routines. Aha. Perfect. Routines right now, possessives, and then evaluation. Okay, perfect. Connectors. Hello, Sandy. Here you are. Becca, perfect. Let's practice. Lesson 3, connectors. In this moment, we are going to check the difference between some connectors, and you need to practice color green and color orange. Color green is for
Verbs.
is for verbs, Andy. You are so correct. Color yellow is for
Connectors.
connectors. Easy peasy. Spoiler a little, but you are correct. In this moment, we are going to practice two questions. Question where versus question when. In previous classes, we saw the difference between in, on, and at, right? Who can tell me the difference between in, on, at? Raise your hand. Difference between in, on, at. What's the difference? Charlie.
Okay. The difference. Give me one moment, please.
Of course.
Okay. In Spanish?
Ok. A ver.
Ok. Cuando vimos estos, la parte de in, on, at, in lo ocupábamos para ciertos lugares en alguna población. Lo entendí yo así. Ejemplo, voy a hablar, un ejemplo que había puesto es de where is Popocatépetl, y de Popocatépetl is in Puebla, o sea, está en Puebla, ¿no?
Ajá.
En la parte de on es un lugar o específicamente como alguna calle, ¿no?
Eso.
Entonces, y ahí tuvimos un ejemplo, porque también lo estoy viendo, y ahí es pues una pregunta de where is the Beatles, y ya la respuesta es the Beatles on the street.
On the
Están
street.
sobre la calle, on street.
Correct.
Ok. Y la parte de at, ese era prácticamente algún lugar, pero hablábamos de en específico un lugar donde íbamos. Vaya, la pregunta era, ¿where is Parque Delta?
Ajá.
Y ahí es donde ocupábamos el Parque Delta is at Cuauhtémoc Subway Station.
Exactly. Yes. I like it. Y la
Entonces,
referencia es la estación de metro.
sí, son como ciertos lugares exactamente específicos,
Los
¿no?
puntos
Dentro
de-
de... Ajá. Entonces yo lo entendía así. In es como fuera, como si hubiéramos de exteriores en Puebla, México, Estados Unidos. Ejemplo, ¿no? On específicamente algún lugar donde estábamos sobre de algo. No lo quiero decir así, pero sí estábamos en la calle, en la banqueta, estábamos, no sé, vaya,
sobre, como caminando, como...
sobre caminando sobre algo.
Ajá,
Y la parte de at, pues ya es un lugar específico donde nos reuníamos.
Fantastic. Fantastic. This is the difference between in, on, and in English. Very good, Charlie. Very, very good. Todas las demás, ¿estamos de acuerdo con Charlie? ¿Tienen alguna duda de lo que acaba de explicar Charlie?
No.
Teacher, I don't have any question.
Excellent. Very good. Well, I have a surprise for you. The word where, no, the word. Ajá. The words in, on, at exist for time too.
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, sí, cierto.
You can do this. In, on, at is for time too. And we are going to study when in this moment. Okay? Attention.
Okay.
When you are asking about time, you are asking about the hours, time, but also the calendar, for example, days, specific moments, etc.
Okay.
Let's learn the difference in this moment. Connector for time. In. The connector in is used for specific points of future time, future months, seasons, and future or past years. New vocabulary, everybody. Pronunciation. Seasons.
Seasons.
Exactly.
Seasons.
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 Excellent, Sandy. Seasons. Lorian de Camp.
Season.
Season. Becca, are you in the car? Yes, no?
Seasons.
No, are you in the car?
Sorry?
Are you in the car?
No. I
No,
am
are you
at home.
Excellent, girl. Very good. Okay. On connector for days. On connector for team. Connector for channel. In connector for futuro. Yes. You are correct. Sandy, your material is correct, but it's incomplete. In this moment, you have opportunity to complete. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect job. So, what is season? Who knows the word season? Remember Netflix? Remember in the previous examples, what is season?
Repeat question, teacher.
What is the meaning of season? Ale.
Ok. Ya.
Oh, sorry, Ale raised the hand.
Estaciones. Ay, sorry.
Yes, be careful.
Sorry,
Dale,
es que
dale,
me
yes.
salí de la pantalla, no vi. Disculpa, vale.
Ok, no problem.
No
Adelante.
problem. ¿Lo digo?
Yes, please.
Según yo, temporadas.
Temporadas. Cuando estamos hablando
Como Navidad.
Exactamente, season es temporada y Charlie estaba diciendo estaciones del año. Ambos están bien. ¿Ok? Tanto temporada como estación. Anoten.
Perfecto.
So, you use in when you are talking about seasons. For example, in summer, in winter, in spring, in autumn. People Do you have new vocabulary in this words? Do you understand what is summer?
No, it's not.
Yes.
Easy, ¿no?
Lo vimos en Canvas 1.
Ajá, Canvas 1. Summer is Canvas 1. Winter is Canvas 1. Spring and autumn is Canvas 1. And you, Lore, do you know summer, winter, spring, autumn?
Can you repeat, please?
Do you know summer, winter, spring, autumn?
Yes.
Do you understand? Okay. Perfect. Yes, Ale, what's up?
No, perdón, se quedó congelado en mi mano.
Oh, okay. That's it. Summer, winter, spring, autumn. So, for example, I like to go to Nevado de Toluca in winter. It's beautiful. You see? Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell me,
Yes.
tell me, Sandy, what do you do in spring?
For me, teacher,
Or Sandy?
I don't listen.
Okay, repetition.
Repeat,
Sandy,
please.
what do you do in spring?
I will be.
Will.
I going.
Going again. What do you do normally? Like routine, normal activity,
In
simple words
the spring.
in spring, correct.
I going to the cinema.
Eliminate going. Well,
I going.
don't eliminate.
I go.
Eliminate ing, exactly. Perfect.
I go to the cinema and the gym. I had meet.
Question, Sandy. Do
Meet
you
my
understand?
friends.
Do you understand spring?
Yes, in primavera.
Okay.
I don't have vacation.
Cada quien.
I don't have vacation,
Exacto.
sorry.
¿Por qué vas al cine solo en primavera? ¿Sabes?
I don't have vacation. I don't have a couple. I'm sorry.
Eso que tiene que ver. Eso no tiene nada que ver.
Okay. In nation. I go to the beach and
Okay. Ajá.
yes.
Tiene más
With
sentido.
your friend.
With your friend. Ajá. Yes.
Yes, with my best friend. And I go to the restaurants.
Ok, pero creo que aquí la risa tapó un poquito de lo que intentaba decir. Lo del I go to the cinema, I go to the restaurant, no son actividades de temporada. ¿Me explico? Entonces, decir I go to the cinema in spring.
Okay, it's very
No.
sad.
No, no es que sea triste, no, sino que yo que me gusta decir, pues, ¿qué pasó? Pero no es temporal, o sea, no es por season. En cambio,
Ya.
me gustó más la de I go to the beach. Eso sí tiene
Ok.
sentido porque es como de temporada, you know? Por ejemplo, beber un vino en especial.
Ice cream. Ay, perdón.
Eating ice cream, you know? Un helado no te lo echas. Ya, algunas personas sí. O
Ok.
un buen café muy caliente no te lo tomas en primavera. You see what I mean? That's the difference. Porque el cine lo podemos hacer todo el año.
Ujú. Cualquier día.
Any day.
Any day.
That's correct.
Yes.
So, what do you do in spring?
I go to the favorite place
For example,
with my family or my friends
complement, practice the connector.
in the spring.
Oh yeah, that's correct. You see?
Yes.
Copy that in the chat.
Perfect.
What's your favorite place?
Sorry.
What's your favorite place?
Beach.
Por eso la
Yes.
mencionaste. Very interesting
For real.
and very good. Copy. Copy in the chat.
Okay.
Charlie, vi tu manita por ahí.
Creo que se quedó pegada, pero no. No,
¿No?
no, sin dudas, teacher. No, sin dudas.
¿O fue Beca? No fue Beca.
Sí, fui yo.
Ok, es que los dos me salen de azul. Adelante, Beca.
También podría ser, can you speak Spanish?
Of course.
Ok. También podría ser, por ejemplo, utilizar o usar ropa que no ocupamos usualmente, ¿no?
Claro.
O sea, a lo mejor en primavera shorts, o sea, o en diciembre botas, ¿no? O sea,
Of course.
es
Hasta
que
aquí todo
marcado.
el vocabulario que tengan. ¿Cómo se
Ok.
dice? How do you say? Usar ropa en inglés.
Ah, ah, short to short, ¿no? Botas, boots,
But no, how do you say usar?
eh, wear,
Yes,
wear, sí.
correct.
Eh, I am, or she wear,
Uh-oh. Who?
I am, or
I
she,
am es yo soy.
que diga I wear,
Excellent. Where?
I wear short in the spring,
Yes.
o, o también ella, ¿no? O sea, se puede decir, my friend, wear,
Ajaja.
no,
I
ahorita,
wear. But she?
wears,
Perfect. Complete.
she wears boots in the winter.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, Becca. Becca the lion.
Ya estoy
Look
carburando,
at
teacher.
you. Very good. Claro, te dije, la conducción, más bien la clase es una distracción para conducir. You
Sí,
know? Cuando llegues, ahora sí.
vale.
No, nitro. Please copy in the chat. Your two examples are perfect. Very good. Next, years, you know, or future time in October, in November, in December, etc., etc., etc. Oh, by the way, let's check pronunciation. Everybody, pronunciation. January.
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 January. Look at the color.
January.
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 Excellent.
January.
January. No Ari, eh? Watch out. January. Tenemos ahí this color. We have this color. Go. Just a second.
Air.
January.
Air.
Okay.
Excellent. The next. February.
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 Excellent.
February.
Ale, Sandy. February.
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 Sandy, repetition. February.
February.
Excellent, girl.
February.
Airy, no Ari. Ari is different. February. Next, easy. March.
March.
Excellent.
March.
March.
Next. Pronunciation. Lore. Number 4.
April.
Excellent.
April.
Everybody pronunciation.
April.
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 Bro, very good. Next, pronunciation. Becca, number 5.
May.
Yes, everybody.
May.
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 Next, pronunciation. Ale.
June.
Perfect, everybody.
June.
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 Excellent. Let's pass to the next. Pronunciation. Charlie.
July.
Exactly. Where is the strong syllable, brother?
July.
Ju.
Strong syllable after the apostrophe.
Okay, sorry.
July.
July.
Exactly. Everybody.
July. July.
July.
July.
July. That's
July.
correct. Becca, a difficult one. Number 8.
August.
Okay, let's go to the. No, the color is different. Just a second, huh? Just a second. Listen.
Say that with me. Ah.
No. August.
Hold on. Oh, exactly. Repetition. Oh.
August.
Oh. And then.
August.
Oga.
August.
August. Very good.
August.
Hey, wait. August.
August. August.
You see? Everybody.
August.
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 August. Very good. Very, very good. Number 9. Sandy.
September.
Yes. Everybody.
September.
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 Next, number 10. Lore.
October.
Okay. Let's check the color.
Oh. Say that with me. Oh.
October.
Yes, exactly.
October.
October. Everybody.
October.
October.
Over.
October.
October. Exactly. Next. Ale, 11.
November.
Look at the color.
Oh. Say that with me.
Uh,
Oh.
no, November.
Exactly.
November,
November, everybody.
November,
November.
November.
November. And the last one, Charlie.
December.
It's not D.
Que no alcanzo a ver.
Look at the symbol.
Ya. December.
Exactly.
December, December,
December, everybody.
December.
December.
Is right. My people, that's it. Los errores más comunes. February. January. Okay. January. February. Yes or no?
Yes.
Las sílabas.
El otro error más común. Julie. July. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Y el otro error más común, August. August.
August.
August. Everybody, August.
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 Charlie, in what month is your birthday?
Okay. My birthday is in August. O con todo el número. Sí.
Okay, pronunciation.
Okay. Okay. August. August.
Strong syllable. What is a strong syllable?
Principio. August.
Al principio. August.
August.
Ok, ahora cuidado con el AO. No es AO, es O. August.
August.
Yeah. Pero no hagas el.
August.
No hay ningún
August.
movimiento, es sólido. August.
Okay. August.
Ahí está. August. That's right.
August.
So complete my birthday.
Okay. My birthday is in August.
August,
Very good. Copy in the chat, please. Very good. Ten cuidado
Question
porque
también.
si pronuncias la pregunta de nuevo. In what month is your birthday? In what month is your birthday?
¿En qué mes tu cumpleaños?
What month is your birthday? Dore, in what month is your birthday?
Yo. Ya no escuché. Soy yo. ¿Sí?
Yes, Yulo.
Ok. Weekday or only the month?
Only the month. In what month is your birthday?
Okay. Is in April.
Incomplete.
My birthday is in April.
Perfect. Copy that in the chat. Charlie, your example, in what month is your year? Be careful,
Sorry,
eh?
teacher.
Becca and Sandy, in what month is your birthday? How do you say nuestro?
We? No.
Mm,
Um,
how do you say nuestro?
Or?
Yes, Sandy. Action complete.
Or
birthday.
are? No. Yes?
Birthday.
Or are birthday is in the November.
Eliminate the.
Is in November. Dun, dun.
Perfect.
Sorry.
Copy.
The same day and the same month.
The same day and the same month.
Yes.
Fantastic.
At the same hospital.
In the same hospital, in the same everything.
Yeah. In the same year.
In the same year, of course. Of course, of course.
And same, how do you say, edad? Old?
Oh, the same age.
Age. Yes.
That's a coincidence. That's a crazy coincidence.
And the best friends.
And best friends, very good. Very, very good. Copy in the chat. Let's go. Ale, in what month is your birthday?
My birthday is in February.
Uh-oh, pronunciation.
February.
February, no R.
Yes, February.
Exactly, February. Again, my birthday?
My birthday is in February.
No R.
My birthday is in February. February.
Exactly.
February.
Me tocó el difícil, fíjate. February.
Pero el mejor.
February. Son 3 sílabas. February. No, 4. 4 sílabas. February.
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 Perfect. That's it. Copy that in the chat. Now let me check your examples. In what month is your birthday? My birthday is in April. My birthday is in August. Sandy, our birthday. Tienes un R de más.
Ok.
Ok. No lo detecte porque R y R se pronuncian
Ok.
igual.
Ya.
Ok. So eliminate R.
Our
Y escribe
birthday
birthday
is-
con D. Birthday.
Ya.
¿No? Ale, my birthday is in February. Yes. That's it, my people. Those are the months.
Ya.
Also, you are talking about years. How do you say the years? Anyone? Ya sé, vamos a...
Can you repeat, please?
Of course. Years. How do you say years? Look at
How do you say yours?
yeah. How do you say years? Just a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. Years. When you are saying years, you need to say you have 3 options. Number 1, to say a year, split the year into numbers. So you say this year, you need to divide the year into, split
Ok.
into. What is a split?
Como partir, ¿no?
Eso.
En dos, ¿no?
Very good. Split significa partir. And then you can start with the two numbers. This is A, and this is B. The name of A
Teacher,
yes,
sorry. Split lo puedo considerar como verbo.
yes.
Okay.
Is split is a verb. Yes, you can.
Ok. Split. ¿Qué?
Is a verb.
Split is a verb.
Is a verb. Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
So you split in two. A is 19, and B is 94. Ta-da. So the example is for example, the what can be an example?
My
My what, Ale?
2005. How do you say?
But my what?
En year. Sería
Here. No, but I want to check. I want to check an expression in present.
ok.
Mi año de nacimiento se dice my birth year. No existe. Se tiene que decir I was born. Bueno, ya vimos was. Let's check it. I was born. Attention, eh? I was born in 1994.
Born.
Born. Here we go. I was born in 19.
He was born.
Take a note. I was born in 1994.
Mm-hmm.
Attention. Expression was born is expression for birthday. Understand? Hello.
Okay. Okay, was born go together. O sea, van
Yeah.
juntos siempre.
Okay. Go together.
Okay.
Was born, go together. So question. In what year were you born? Becca.
I was born in 1989.
Perfect. 89? I thought it was 1990. Interesting. Good. Copy in the chat. In what year were you born? Lore.
I was born in 1992.
Excellent. Copy. Charlie, in what year were you born?
Sí, chavo. I was born in 1989.
Perfect.
89.
Copy. 1989. Correct. And finally, you have the second part. This is for Ali. Here you go. After the after the 2000s, you have two options. Let's say from 2000 to 2009, you can say to those 1000 plus 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, etc.
Okay.
2009.
Or you can follow number 1, the first indication.
Okay.
You have the two options. So, action. In
Did
what
you
year were you born?
I was born 2005
Correct. I was
or
born connector 4 years.
in
Yes.
I was born in 2005.
Uh-huh.
Or I was born in 2005.
Okay. Sorry. You can follow the first indication, but 0 becomes O.
2005.
Excellent. 2005.
Okay.
That's correct. Take a note. He was born in 2005 or 2005. And finally, after years 10, 2010, repeat the first indication. So for example, if I have a person born in this year. This person needs to say that he was born. Oh, for example, Charlie, your son. In what year was your son born?
Sorry, teacher, me perdí por 5 minutos.
I repeat, after 2010, repeat the first indication.
Okay.
So, in what year was your son born?
Okay. My son was
Yes.
born in 2012.
Exactly. Le tiene.
Sí, de hecho sí.
Yes, that's correct. My son was born in 2012.
12. Thank you.
That's it, my people. Okay. Look at this in your glossary, and let's pay attention to Jessica's more. She's an hello.
Hello, Mr. Hello, everyone. I will take attendance, please. This is Carlos. Hello, Carlos. Good night.
Hello, yes, good night.
Thank you, Carlos. Ale. Hello, Ale. Good night.
Hello, yes, good night.
Thank you, Ale. Becca. Hello, Becca. Good night.
Hello, yes, good night.
Thank you, Becca. Good night. Sandy. Hello, Sandy. Good night.
Hello, yes, good night.
Thank you, Sandy. Good night. And Lori. Hello, Lori. Good night.
Yes, good night.
Thank you, Lori. Good night. So, thank you, everyone, to be here. Somebody else, Mister?
That's it, girl.
All right. So,
That's it.
thank you, everyone. Have a good night. And see you tomorrow. Bye.
You too, girl.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
See you.
Bye.
Perfect, my people. Do you have any question?
In this moment,
In this moment, no. Very good. So, my people, we finished with in. Tomorrow, we continue with on. And this
Teacher,
gets interesting. Let's try it.
Thank you.
sorry, can you send the screenshot, please?
Sure. Oh, you have a screenshot at the end, eh? Ah, pero los números. Yes, I sent you the screenshot. Don't worry.
Los dos, ambos.
Yes, of course. The months and years? No.
Okay, sí.
All right. Perfect.
Please, teacher.
All right, my people. We finished for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Halloween.
Happy night.
Happy night. Bye, guys.
Sorry,
bye.
teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye.